Today, I will tell you about one of the famous legends from Central Java, the legend of Roro Jonggrang. A long time ago, there was a kingdom called Prambanan. The king of this kingdom was not an ordinary man. He was a giant named King Boko. Even though he looked scary, he had a very, very beautiful daughter. Her name was Roro Jonggrang. She was known everywhere for being beautiful, smart, and elegant. And also many people admire her, and many princes want to marry her, but no one dared to challenge her giant father. Everything was peaceful until one day a strong warrior prince attacked the kingdom and defeated the King Boko. When, after the battle, she came to the place and saw Roro Jonggrang, he fell in love immediately. He said, "You are the most beautiful woman I've ever seen. Please, be my wife." But Roro Jonggrang didn't want to marry her. He didn't want to marry him because he had killed her father. But she knew she can reject him directly. But she came up with a plan, a very, very difficult plan. She said, "I will marry you only if you can build 1,000 temples in just one night." But inside, she thought, there's no way he can do that. Tomorrow, he will be failed and I'll be saved. But she didn't know what will happen next. Banu Banu also used his magic powers to work with the spirits and supernatural creators. They started to build the temples amazingly fast. They carried the stone, carved the wall, and stacked everything perfectly. Roro Jonggrang became scared. She didn't expect him to do that. And she ordered the place girl to trick him. She ordered the place girl to burn straw and pound rice. The rooster crowed, the sky looked brighter, making it seem like morning had come. And the spirit got scared and ran away, leaving the last temple unfinished. Banu Banu also arrived at the site and counted the temples. 999. Only one more to go. Angry and sad, he returned to the palace and confronted Roro Jonggrang because he realized he had been tricked. He said, "You fooled me. You didn't keep your promise. If you won't be my bride, then you will become the final statue of the Prambanan." So after that, before Roro Jonggrang ran away, he used his magic powers. Roro Jonggrang slowly turned into stone. Her body became harder and harder, colder and colder, until she fully turned into stone. Everyone say her statue is still inside one of the main temples in Prambanan, now known as the Durga statue. So that's how the legend of Roro Jonggrang is the one of famous legend in Indonesia. It teaches us that lies and trick can lead us to unexpected consequences. And I think that's all from me. Thank you for your attention.